Save big on iPhones this holiday season with Back Market. If you've been thinking about buying a new iPhone but don't want to spend a small fortune, especially with the holidays just around the corner, there's some good news. Back Market is currently offering massive discounts on refurbished iPhones, letting buyers save hundreds of dollars compared to buying brand new devices. In fact, depending on the model you choose, Back Market is offering savings of up to $500, even on high-end models like the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And if you have an old phone to trade in, you could reduce the price even further. This makes Back Market an attractive option for anyone looking to upgrade their phone on a budget, parents shopping for a first smartphone for their child, or even users who prefer older iPhones that don't support Apple's newest AI features. What is Back Market, and why is it different? Back Market is an online marketplace that specializes in professionally refurbished electronics, including smartphones, laptops, tablets, and more. Unlike random second-hand sellers, Back Market works with certified refurbishers who inspect, repair, and test every device before it's sold. That means you're not just buying a used phone, you're buying a device that has been restored to near-new condition with quality checks in place. Right now, Back Market is offering refurbished iPhones ranging from the latest iPhone 17 models all the way back to older devices like the iPhone 7, giving buyers an unusually wide selection. Huge savings on popular iPhone models. One of the biggest reasons this deal stands out is the price range. Depending on the model and condition, you can find iPhones starting at around $75, which is incredibly affordable for a fully functional smartphone. At the other end of the spectrum, premium devices like the iPhone 16 Pro Max are discounted by hundreds of dollars, making them far more accessible for buyers who want flagship features without paying flagship prices. These discounts are especially useful during the holiday season, when many people are shopping for gifts and trying to stay within a budget. Trade-in options for even more value. Back Market also offers a trade-in program, which allows you to send in your old device and receive a rebate. This rebate can then be used toward a future purchase, helping you save even more on your next phone. It's a smart option if you have an older smartphone sitting in a drawer and want to turn it into real value rather than letting it collect dust. Unlocked phones and carrier flexibility. Another major advantage of buying from Back Market is that all iPhones are unlocked. This means you're free to use the device with almost any US mobile carrier, including major networks and smaller providers. This flexibility is especially useful if your carrier is out of stock on the model you want, or if you prefer switching networks without dealing with compatibility issues. Warranty, returns, and buyer protection. Buying refurbished doesn't have to mean taking a risk. Back Market includes several protections that help buyers feel more confident. 1-year warranty on every phone. 30-day return policy, no questions asked. A refurbishment guarantee that ensures devices meet quality standards. If something goes wrong, you're covered, which is a big difference compared to buying from private sellers or online marketplaces with limited protection. Customization options, storage and color choices. Back Market also lets you choose from a variety of storage capacities and color options, depending on the model. Whether you want more space for photos and videos or prefer a specific finish, you can usually find a configuration that fits your needs and your budget. This level of choice is rare at these price points, especially when compared to buying new devices directly from manufacturers. Flexible payment plans. If paying upfront isn't ideal, Back Market works with Klarna and Affirm, allowing buyers to split their purchase into manageable monthly payments. This makes upgrading to a better phone more accessible, especially during a season when expenses can add up quickly. Ideal for kids, teens, and minimal users. Refurbished iPhones are also a great option for parents. If you're buying a smartphone for your child or teenager, spending top dollar on a brand new device may not make sense. With Back Market, you can get a reliable iPhone at a fraction of the price, without worrying as much about damage or loss. Additionally, some users intentionally choose older iPhone models to avoid Apple Intelligence and other AI-driven features, helping reduce distractions and screen time while still having a phone that handles calls, messages, music, and basic apps. Downsides to consider. Of course, there are some trade-offs. Older iPhones may not support the latest iOS updates forever, and some apps may eventually stop working on very old models. However, for many users, especially those looking for affordability and basic functionality, These limitations are reasonable. Overall rating and final verdict. Considering the deep discounts, warranty coverage, trade-in options, and flexible payment plans, Back Market offers strong value for anyone willing to buy refurbished. While it would be ideal to see similar discounts on factory new iPhones, the reality is that Apple rarely offers major price cuts. Back Market fills that gap by making iPhones more affordable without sacrificing reliability. That's why this deal earns a 4 out of 5 editors rating. Not perfect, but an excellent option for smart shoppers. How long will these deals last? Like most promotions, these offers can sell out or expire at any time, especially as the holiday season approaches. Availability may vary by model, color, and storage size, so acting sooner rather than later is recommended. If you miss out, don't worry. Back Market frequently updates its inventory, and new deals appear regularly. Final thoughts. If you want to save serious money on an iPhone, whether for yourself or as a gift, Back Market is one of the best places to look right now. With prices starting incredibly low, premium models discounted heavily, and buyer protections in place, it's a smart alternative to buying brand new, especially during the holidays.